Hi guys, welcome back to SoftAsia Tech. Today in this video I am going to show you how you can add text overlay over a image into your Elementor page builder. You can see I have, but here you can see I have this separate text overlay image, and in background I have a face image of a woman. By default you have to create this image into Photoshop and then you have to upload it in the Elementor, but in this tutorial I will show you how you can create in Elementor editor. In this I have used two different images. One is this text overlay image and the second one is this woman face which doesn't have any text over it. So let's go to your Elementor editor where I will show you how you can add text overlay effect on a face in Elementor. So here is my WordPress editor. First of all I will add a new sections and I will select this structure. Now I will go to its settings and I will change the minimum height to fit to screen. Now it will appear like that and fit it to screen. Now I will go to style and here I will add background color and I will change it to black. Now you can see the entire section was turned into black. Now I will add an image in the middle column, so I will drag an image widget. Now I will select image from my media library. Now I will select this image and click on insert media. Now you can see it was appeared like that. First of all I will align it to the center. Now I will go to style and I will change its width to 100% and height to 500 pixel. Now object fit I will make it cover. Now I will change its position to absolute, so I will go to advanced, scroll down and positioning. In positioning I will change its position to absolute. Now here what I will do, I will add half of the pixels that I have added in the height. Let's say here in style you can see I have added height of 500 pixels, but here in the positioning now I will add half of it. I will add 250, but I have to add it in minus, so it will vertically align like that. Now what I will do, I will duplicate this image. So I will click on here in the, you can see this sign. I will right click on it and duplicate this image. Now I have two images. You can see in navigator here you can see you have this two different images. Now for the second image I will change image over here. So I will go choose image and select this text overlay image and I will click on insert media. Now you can see this text overlay image covers my previous image that was under it. I can also drag it like that and you can see I have these two images, but I will press Ctrl Z to align it as it is. Now I will make it text overlay. Now I will add some blend effect over it so it will appear over the face. So I will go to advanced, custom CSS. By the way, you can use this custom CSS in the Elementor Pro only. Elementor Free doesn't allow you to add custom CSS. So here I will type selector, add curly braces and press enter. Now I will add mix blend mode and I will type multiply. Now add semicolon here. Now you can see the text overlay appeared over image. Now you can go to first image. I will go to first image by going to navigator and here. Now I will go to style and you can change with this CSS filter. You can increase the brightness like that so the image appears much better. I will add brightness to 130. Also you can change the contrast like that, but for the contrast I will make it 110 pixels. Now I am done with that, so I will just update the page. Now after updating I will click on this I button to preview the changes. Now here you have your page. You can see I have this image here and over it I have this text overlay effect. That's how you can add text overlay effect on a face image in Elementor. Hope you learned something new in this tutorial. If so, please like this video and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Also press bell icon to get notified when I upload new videos. Thanks for watching.